Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download INZOI on your PC, laptop or your Mac. So first thing you need to do is come to Google website and search INZOI Nano Player and then open this first website, and then from here you can click on this download INZOI on PC and you will able to download this INZOI game on your PC and you can play it however you want. So as you can see, this game supports bigger display with better graphics and full key mapping support for precise control keyboard and mouse or gamepad, and multiple game accounts or tasks on single PC at one time with multi-instance manager. So to install this game, simply click on this download INZOI on PC and you will download this game. So that's all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.